Namaste, welcome to AnkiNish Creations. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 mini acrylic paintings. So mini paintings are really a great way to start any kind of painting if you haven't tried painting as of now. I love painting on mini canvases because it gives me a lot of exposure to try different kind of techniques, and I don't have to worry about okay, I have to finish big canvas. What if I ruined it? What if it does not turn out good? So I love painting mini paintings, and I hope you do too. So let's get started with this video. For today's painting, I'm going to be using this cork coaster base. You can also use small canvases. I've mentioned some links in the description box below. I'm going to give a white base to all of my cork coaster first to give it a light base to start off. And then starting with the first painting, I'm giving it a black base on top of the white acrylic paint. And then I'll let this black paint dry completely to start my painting. Now here I am taking a light blue acrylic paint and dabbing it all over the black base with my brush, making some brush marks like this. And once I'm done with this blue brush strokes, I'll let this dry completely and then we'll paint some flowers on top of it. For painting flowers, take some acrylic paint on your pointed brush and then press the brush like this, drag it and lift it up slightly. It will give a beautiful petal shape and it will not be same, like all the petals will not be same, so it will look little bit natural. Likewise, I'll make few more flowers with different shades of paint and different sizes, and then I'll be done with this painting. I'll also do a second coat wherever needed on the petals of the flower. And yeah, this is a simple, easy design. You can use this background technique on any size of canvas and you can make bigger flowers if you are making bigger painting. And yeah, enjoy painting. And with this, my first mini acrylic painting is done. It looks so beautiful and colorful, yet it was so easy to make, so try it out yourself. For my second mini painting, I'm going to be painting my favorite sunset silhouette landscape, but with a different technique. So I'm dabbing down yellow, orange and red acrylic paint first, and then I'll take a piece of plastic and keep it on top of it, and then I'm rubbing my fingers on top of the plastic to mix the colors and create a beautiful sunset shading of the sky. I'll add little bit of more orange shade in between because I felt like the colors were not enough to spread it all over the surface, so I did add a little bit orange in between, and then I used my finger and spread the colors and mixed it, and it was good to see the end result, and it was unexpected but it turned out good. Now it's time to lift the plastic and see the outcome. I was really happy with how it looked at the end, and with the leftover paint on the plastic, I decided to stamp it on the canvas magnet I had, which I have painted in a dark pink color, and this is how it looked after stamping it onto the leftover paint, and I can draw some mandal on top of it. Now I am painting some black mountain silhouette on the bottom side of this sunset painting. and then I'll paint some tree silhouette and grass silhouette on top of it and finish my second mini acrylic painting. And after adding few bird silhouette, I'll be done with my second mini painting as well. Now for my third and last one, it was really not planned what I'm going to do on this one, so I just took some brown acrylic paint and painted the base on it. Till now I have not decided what I'm going to paint on top of it, and after painting the brown base I felt like it has a very good texture. So I just dabbed the paintbrush like this on the wet painted area, and it gave a really nice texture on this brown paint. But I was curious to know how it will look after drying, so I let it dry completely, and this is how it looked after drying. It looks so good. So then I decided to use some chalk paint, matte acrylic paints, and draw some random abstract semicircles using yellow and pink acrylic paint. They were very light in shade. And then I drew some leaves with white acrylic paint. All of them are matte finished. I will link these paints in the description box below. And then I used my Uniball black gel pen to draw a border to my leaves, which was not perfect. I wanted it to be imperfect, and then I will finish my third mini painting as well. This was the unplanned painting. I didn't know what I'm going to do on this one, and it turned out so good. I loved this one. If you want, you can also add more shades of acrylic paints in the semicircle and paint it on a bigger canvas. It will look very nice, I think. And yeah, all of this are so easy to do. I hope you try them at home, and tag me when you try it, like share it with me, and yeah, let me know which painting you like the most. Now my all three mini paintings are ready and dried. So they are so light in weight as they are so small. I can use blue tack to hang them all on wall. This would be a very easy solution to hang it on wall and not ruin the wall. So it comes out very easily, and this is my favorite blue tack. And the next method which we can use is a jute thread, which we can attach on the back side of the painting like this with some hot glue and masking tape, and then you can hang it regularly on a nail or on a command hook, whatever you like. And here are all my paintings ready to be hangable, and it would be such a cute and little gift idea to give someone which is handmade. So yeah. For this video, I really hope you all liked it. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है mini paintings बनाने में. So yeah, you can do this on small pieces of cardboard या mixed media paper पे भी कर सकते हो, या फिर like anything which is thick enough to hold painting. And this is a great way to start trying techniques, to learn more techniques, to get your hands on acrylic painting or any other medium you want to try. And I hope you liked this video. Hit that like button if you do, and comment down below your thoughts on it. Share this video, it really helps me to grow my channel, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative. Bye bye.